Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My due respect to our commanding officer of the 6th First Brigade in the person of Lieutenant General Katusar. Equal respect. General Katusar, excuse me. Equal respect. Our commanding officer of the provincial director of the province of Del Sur, Lieutenant Colonel Sapasar, Police Colonel Sultan Salman, sir, the local chief executive who are presented today, our board member of the province of Del Sur, the representative of Bangsamoro, former MQD Chief Sultan Zabangis, our beloved commanding officer of the 33rd IB, who was assigned in this locality, Lieutenant Colonel Rigara, sir. Rigara, sir. My families, both parties, who are presented today. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Excuse me.